See a Reynolds number. Reynolds number is a pure number which determines the nature of the flow of liquid. That means by knowing the number you can determine whether the flow is streamlined or laminar or turbulent. The Reynolds number is given by this formula, that is rho d Vc upon eta. Rho is the density of the fluid or the liquid flowing through the tube or the pipe, d is the diameter of the pipe, Vc is the critical velocity of the flow of liquid, and eta is the coefficient of viscosity. If suppose you are taking here Nr is less than 1000, then flow is here streamlined. In that case the flow is streamlined or laminar. If you are taking Nr is greater than 2000, then the flow is turbulent. But if the Reynolds number, the value of Nr is between 1000 and 2000, the flow is neither streamlined nor turbulent. Actually that is an unsteady state of the flow of the liquid. So just by knowing these numbers or the range of Nr, you can tell whether the flow is streamlined or turbulent.